All right, I finally got that BTR 36 volt 25 amp hour battery run down out on the trail. Um, and now I've plugged in my backup battery. Have to give another shout out to BTR. 45.7 miles. And actually, when I put that battery in, when Dan and I were on the trail the other day, I didn't reset my odometer for probably another half mile, so I think I got over 46. And that's pretty incredible. Probably anyone who's been trying to find the right battery for their e-bike knows that that's pretty remarkable. No pedaling, 45.7 plus perhaps a half mile on the BTR 36 volt 25 amp hour battery. Way to go, BTR.